Good morning students. Today we are going to solve question number 1 of exercise 4.2 chapter 4. Chapter name is simple equation. Before starting exercise 4.2, here is one definition which will be helpful for solving exercise 4.2. So let me explain to you. Transposition. The word is transposition. Any term of an equation may be taken from one side to other with a change in its sign. This does not affect the equality of the statement, and this process is called transposition. Let me explain you with example also. Any term, let me take this term, any term of an equation, of this equation, may be taken from one side. This is in the LHS side. I will take to the RHS side with a change in its sign. If you are taking that, if it is plus, it will go that side, so it will become minus. So we will write transposing 1 to RHS. We get x is equal to 3. This plus, if we transpose that side, so it will become 3 minus 1. So we will get x is equal to 2. This is called transposition. Same way, let me take another example. X minus 2 is 5 is one equation. We can, any term of an equation may be taken from one side to other side with a change in its sign. I am taking minus 2 to that side, so it will become plus 2. Transposing minus 2, it will become plus 2. So it will get x is equal to 7. But here is one condition also. If it is plus, it goes to that side, or whether if one number is over there and it is coming to this side, it will also change the sign, but it must be plus or minus. Now if the term is in multiplication with the variable and you want to take this term, if it is in multiplication, you want to take it to the RHS side, or whether it is on the RHS side, you want to take it to the LHS side, but it is in multiplication, so it will go that side and divide. So if it is in multiplication, it will divide while going to that side. So we will write transposing 2. Here sign will not change. Sign will change for plus and minus only. Plus will become minus and minus will become plus. So 2x is equal to 6. Transposing 2, it will go that side because it is in multiplication, it will divide. So we will get 2 1s and 2 3s. So x is equal to 3. Same way, if the equation is having in division, we want to take the term which is in division to next side, to the other side. It will go that side and multiply. So if it is in division, it will multiply. If it is in multiplication, it will divide. So it will go that side. So we will write transposing 3. So we will get x is equal to 7 3s are 21. All this is called transposing. So let me remind you what we have done. Therefore we can say by transposing positive, it will become negative. Positive term, okay, positive term to the RHS side, or from the RHS side to the LHS side, plus will become minus, minus will become plus. Multiplication will divide if it goes that side, then only, and division will multiply if it goes that side only, then only. Okay, so on the basis of this, let us start question number 1 of this exercise. Let me open the textbook also. So it is having almost 10 parts, starting with A. They have given x minus 1 is equal to 0. They have told give the first step that you will use to separate the variable. You are separating the variable and then solve the equation. So first step will be transposing minus 1 to RHS. To RHS means from LHS to RHS we will transpose. So it is minus, so according to rule when we transpose it will become plus. So this is our answer, x is equal to 1, and 1 is the solution. Now part B is having x plus 1 is equal to 0. What will be the first step? Transposing plus 1 to RHS, we get, here it was plus, it will go that side, it will become minus. This is our solution. Now part C is having x minus 1 is equal to 5. First step, transposing minus 1 to RHS, we get x is equal to 5. This minus 1 will come here, it will become plus 1. So we will get x is equal to 5 plus 1, 6. Coming to part D, x plus 6 is equal to 2. Transposing plus 6 to RHS, we get x is equal to 2 plus 6 will become minus 6. So we will get x is equal to 2 minus 6 will give me 4, minus 4. Part E, y minus 4 is equal to 7. I will write transposing minus 4 to RHS, we get y is equal to 7. There was already minus 4 will become plus 4. So we will get 7 plus 4, 11. Y is equal to 11 is our answer. Coming to part F. F is y minus 4 is equal to 4. Again, transposing minus 4 to RHS, we get y is equal to 4 was already there, and this 4 it will go that side and become plus. So we will get y is equal to 8. Moving to part G, y plus 4 is equal to 4. Again I will write here transposing plus 4 to RHS, we get y is equal to 4 was already there, this plus will become there minus 4 minus 4 will become 0. So our value is y is equal to 0. Coming to last part, that is part H. H is having y plus 4 is equal to minus 4. We will write transposing plus 4 to RHS, we get y is equal to minus 4 was already there, this plus 4 if it goes that side it will become minus. So we will get y is equal to minus 8. Now solving, let us also solve question number 2 with this. Question number 2 says, first it is the same thing, give first step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. So let us start. It is 3L is equal to 42. Here you see this is in multiplication, so we will write transposing 3 to RHS, we get, I have told if it is in multiplication it will go that side and divide. So we will get L is equal to 42 divided by 3, 3 1s are 3 and 3 4s are, that is 14. Therefore L is equal to 14 will be your answer. Part B, b divided by 2 is equal to 6. We will write transposing 2 to RHS, we get b is equal to 6, which was in multiplication, 2 was in multiplication, so we multiplied, so we get b is equal to 6 2s are 12. Coming to part C. Part C says p divided by 7 is equal to 4. Again, now I am just telling, I am not writing. Transposing 7 to RHS, we get p is equal to 4, which is in division, so it will go and multiply, so we will get p is equal to 7 4s are 28. Part D, 4x is equal to 25. Transposing 4 to RHS, 4 is in multiplication, so it will go in RHS and divide. So we will get 25 by 4. 25 by 4 can't be cancelled out, but it can be converted into mixed fraction. So I will write 6 integer 1 by 4, because 6 4s are 24 plus 1, 25 by 4. You can write like this also, and you can also write like this. Moving to part E, 8y is equal to 36. Transposing 8 to RHS, we get y is equal to 36. It is in multiplication, so it will divide. So we get 36 divided by 8. Let us cut 4 2s are 8 and 4 9s are 36. Again, if you want to convert it into mixed fraction, you will get 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9 divided by 2. So we will get 4 integer 1 by 2. Now remaining F, G and H, I want you all to practice by yourself so that you can gain confidence to solve this type of question. We will meet with question number 3 and 4 in next lecture. Till then, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.